Water Today's Water Expo, 2nd, 3rd and 4th of June 2022 Chennai Trade Center.
We are Arch Enviro Equipment Private Limited. We are Baroda-based company who are dealing in wastewater equipment manufacturing, and we have developed some good products in India. We are Make in India product we have developed in India. Some of the product good technologies for aeration system like jet aeration technology, you can see it here. We are developing in India, even though we got the patent also for this product, and we are the first Indian company who got the patent for jet aeration technology, and we are getting good response for this product. We are done huge installation base in India, and now we are coming to Chennai to grab the south area also, so that we can start working in this area, because of southern region is also the very big reason wherein huge requirement of the wastewater. Nowadays wastewater is a very critical issues for sewerage treatment for domestic as well as for the industrial, and we are working for the both profile as well as for industrial and domestic purpose also. So that is what we are doing, our company, and we are here because this expo will get a very good response. And one thing what I'm seeing with this expo, there is very good crowd and the potential crowd is there. What I'm seeing in other expo also, crowd is coming, but potential crowd selectively come, but here everybody is come with the selective potential client only. So that is a very good advantage for us. So thank you very much for Water Today, who has given us opportunity, and we have been served here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much.